What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we actually got a cool video, a simple video, but we're going to be installing on this one, on the Roush. We do have the 2015 Roush here. We're going to be replacing the side marker lights with some new ones I ordered off of American Muscle. I ordered these back in December, a while ago. I have the raxiom ones here, have the LED smoked ones. Now look pretty simple to install. I've actually never replaced these at all before, but it looks like plug right into the factory connector. Shouldn't be that difficult, just going off of what this one or how this light is. Looks like you only got to push this side, and that side is just a hook. So what we're going to do is we're actually gonna throw the GoPro on. I want to go step by step on this, show you guys how to do it. So before I throw the GoPro on, let's see if we can get a visual on what they look like. Hopefully it actually comes through. There we go. You can barely see it, but not that bright, honestly. Let me see if I lock it. Yeah, see? Not that bright. Pretty basic factory lights. Go in here now. Probably really simple to reach under here. Find the... to actually get under the car because it's so tight under there. See if I can get a good leverage here. Oh yeah, that was actually really simple. Just go under there, just push with your finger on that one, and then should wiggle this one out here, huh? Let's see here. Yep. Damn, that's actually really simple. I believe you just pop that connector off. This one says left hand. Grab the left hand one here. Did it. Okay, connect it. And just repeat the same process. Yeah, wow, that was stupid easy. I like the way the smoke looks with the blue of the car. So now let's go ahead, hop onto the other side and go do that one. So now we are on the other side here. Work with me. Let me check this out. Yeah. So all you should be able to do is push. Now. This one's a little harder for some reason. Now I'm doing it on the floor. I don't have a lift. So, oh, there you go. All you do is push that. So all you do is push it. Get your finger in here. Wiggle. Just go ahead and hit the unlock button here just to get the lights to turn on. I like it. I love the way that looks. It actually looks really cool. So now I'm actually gonna get a video of it tonight. They're a lot brighter than the regular bulbs. Watch, I'll throw a quick video of it here. You guys like that quick video? Nothing crazy, just a quick install on the Roush of the side marker lights. We're gonna do a couple more little things here and there with the car, just to do it. Like, I want to see if I can find something to clean up these headlights because they are kind of bad. If you guys liked it, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and remember, guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you guys in the next one.